All right, guys, today we move a 750-pound hot tub, which is about 340 kg for my friends in the other countries. And we're going to take this tub off of this raised patio. It's about 3 foot off the ground. We've rotated it so that the service side with all the weight and the pumps comes off first onto this slider, and then we'll take it around to the truck and haul it away. Now, I'm using Jeremy and his crew at Bubble Factory Spas in Nashville. Always use them. They're the best. That's all they do. They move tubs, man. They're just a machine. They can move any tub in any situation. So brought them out, and again, it's 750 pounds. It's not lightweight, but they make it look very easy. And I pretty much just try to stay out of the way. I've moved my share of hot tubs, and I'll throw a hand in every once in a while, but I really try to let them do what they do, and they never let me down. Now, this is a Teflon slider, and Teflon will slide very easily on concrete or asphalt, things like that, but on grass, it's like Velcro. This is the hardest part of the job, to be honest, is pushing this thing through grass. Not simply because the tub is 750 pounds, but because the Teflon just catches the grass in a way that makes it very difficult. Guys, this is who I use in the Nashville area, Bubble Factory Spas. Dude's got a broad back, so there's no wrinkles in the name. That's right. Let's get it. Tap that screen, guys. What are y'all doing just watching this? These guys are putting their lives on the line. You can't even double tap a screen. Now it's going to be taken onto that spa dolly. You might call it a trailer, but people in the biz, we call it a trailer too, by the way. But it's a spa dolly made specifically for this industry. So I have a little ramp there so we don't damage the side panels, the corner as it goes up. I've trained it over the years. Like a good dog. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for the shares and the likes.
Oh, well, that would get in my way for sure.
Well, there you go, another successful hot tub pickup. You might wonder what makes a successful hot tub pickup. Well, number one, nobody got hurt. That's the main thing. Number two, the tub did not get hurt. That's secondary, but it's very important, and that is some good stuff.